Oh no, Flappy Bird was removed from both the App Store and Google Play. But don't you worry, we can make our own version. Today, I'll walk you through how I coded Flappy Bird Tagalog using Python and Pygame. First, I imported the essential libraries Pygame, Pygame.locals, and random. I initialized Pygame and set the FPS to 60 for a smooth gameplay, and defined the screen size as 864 by 936 pixel. The game window is titled Flappy Bird Tagalog for a local feel. Next, I loaded all the game assets background, ground, bird sprite, pipes, and the restart button. And I also set up key variables like flying, truck when the game starts, game over, check if the game ended, pipe gap control the spaces between pipes, score, track points, scroll speed, manage the ground and pipe movement. Utility function. Before diving into classes, I created two key functions. Draw text to display the score, reset game to reset variables and position after a game is over. The bird class controls the bird's movement and animation. It cycles through three sprites for a flapping effect, responds to a mouse click for a jump, and uses gravity to pull it down. The bird tilts based on its speed and rotates to a negative 90 degrees when it crashes. The pipe class manages obstacles. Pipe are generated in pairs with randomized heights for variety. They move left and are deleted once off the screen to optimize performance. The button class creates the restart button. It detects mouse clicks and triggers the reset game function after a game. Once the classes were ready, I arranged the game assets. The background is drawn first as the base layer. The ground is placed at the bottom and set to scroll for a continuous effect. The bird starts in a default position ready to fly. Then I generated pipe pairs at random heights, giving it the same iconic feeling of the iconic fluffy bird. The scoring is simple. When the bird successfully passes between the pipes without colliding, the score increases by 1. The updated score is displayed at the top of the screen. The game constantly checks for collision. If the bird hits a pipe, flies out of bound, or touches the ground, it's game over. The bird rotates to a negative 90 degrees and a restart button appears, allowing players to try again. Added a pipe generator that spawns new pipes every 1.5 seconds for continuous gameplay. This section manages player inputs. If the player clicks the close button, the game exits. Mouse click starts the game. Here is the assets folder containing all the files needed for this program. Finally, run the code. Check if the bird animation is working, the pipe spawn regularly, the score updates, the collision detection works, and if the restart button works after the game is over.